Hi guys, this is Sar, the CEO of Sar Wigs. So welcome to Sar Wigs, where we create your perfect image. We have this spring curly twist for you guys. It can fit all ages, all color complexion. So just DM us for your orders. We ship worldwide. You can find us at all our social media platforms at Sar Wigs. Ooh, by the way guys, the Sar crotchets are on the way. Anytime from now we gonna launch Sar crotchets. So guys, we aren't focusing on wigs, only many packages are on the way. We do really appreciate our online customers for your unconditional support. Cheers!